Well, for quarter sawing, you really need a much better quality log, something that's straight and not so many knots to it, because that does require pretty good quality. And typically what I'll do for quarter sawing is to come down a little bit above, you level the pith, level the log, and then come down to about a couple inches above the center, make a slabbing cut, then make several other slabbing cuts, because those boards right out of the middle will be pretty much quarter sawn. And you set those aside, then you put the two halves back together upright, so they're kind of sitting on the mill like this, and I feel like a flight attendant, But anyway, sitting on the mill like this, and then you slice through them, and that'll give you quarter sawn pieces off of the two sides that you cut. And you get maybe 60 to 70% quarter sawn wood that way. And it's more work, but if that's what the customer wants or needs, let's say for musical instruments or flooring or whatever, or they just like the look of it, it's well worth the time it takes to do that.